Hi, just thought I'd quickly come on and show you my shredder, my paper shredder. I've had it for about 2 years now. I got it off Amazon. It wasn't expensive. I believe it was under £25 that I paid for it, and that was included delivery as well. I have been using it pretty regular, and I've got a backlog of papers now that I need to shred, but it's really good. I mean, you could do a few pages at a time, and it's got the CD one as well where you can shred your CDs. It's really good. It's got the automatic, the off, and the reverse on there. Very, very good. I can't quite see a make or model, but if I check around maybe underneath or on the side, it will tell me, and I'll leave it in the description area below. Anyway, as I said, I've got a pile of papers to go through and just get those shredded for safety purposes, because some strangers are going through people's bins and finding their documents in order to use them for scamming purposes and so forth. So I mean, I haven't got any vital important papers as such, but it's just my details. So what I usually do is just tear off the top where the name and address is, and any account numbers and stuff like that. And then I most probably just chuck the rest of the paper away in the recycle bin. But the most important parts that I usually do is tear off the tops with the names, address, any account numbers, barcodes and stuff. And the rest could just get popped into the recycle. So really, that's just what I really wanted to come on and say. Now, there has been, sightings of people, strangers going through people's bins and looking for documentations and stuff. So please be aware of that. I used to, before the shredder, I used to tear up everything by hand. But I find the shredder so much more easier, and they're cheap and cheerful, really good. And as you can see, the bin is big, so it gets a lot of papers in there. And again, I don't do the whole A4 if it's not necessary. If you did like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload any new videos. And thank you so much to my new subscribers. Thank you for my existing ones as well. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye.